Hello, I'm Gary and today I'm gonna show you how to fix a problem that I recently had during video editing in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. While editing my latest gameplay video, I noticed that in certain parts of the footage, the screen was flickering. I wasn't sure what caused this issue. I thought it might be due to my video card malfunctioning during recording or a corrupted file. However, the problem turned out to be something different. Have you ever heard of VFR? Which means variable frame rate. In short, it's a recorded footage that does not maintain a constant frame rate, meaning the FPS value varies depending on the scene in the recorded game or something else that you recorded. In my case, I was recording gameplay of The Amazing Spider-Man, where due to game optimization issues, my FPS would drop. Premiere Pro, in sections with missing frames, inserted random parts of the footage, causing the flickering. Unfortunately, Premiere Pro has some issues with VFR footage, which can lead to such problems. But how can we deal with it? I'll show you two solutions depending on the type of footage you're dealing with. First solution. If you have this issue with footage that doesn't have or need background audio, the solution is very simple. You just need to go to the specific file on your timeline, enter the left source tab, and change Pre-Save Audio Sync to Smooth Video Motion. This should allow Premiere Pro to read the footage correctly. The downside of this solution is that if the footage has audio, it will be out of sync with the video.
More robots! Watch out!
You could try to manually sync the audio, but it's not very convenient.
Gwen, are you okay?
I'm done. I'm f***ing done! Second solution. The second solution, which I prefer and completely fix this issue, involves using the Shutter Encoder program recommended by Adobe itself. This is a very simple, quick and complete solution to the VFR problem. With this program, you can normalize the FPS so that they are read by Premiere Pro as stable. At least that's how I understand it. I'm still an amateur in editing. Here's how to do it. Import your footage into Shutter Encoder. Select Conform and then choose the frame rate you want for your footage. Since I recorded the game in 60 FPS, I select that option. Click Start. The whole process is very quick. For me, a video lasting about an hour gets processed in just over a minute or two. Once the footage is ready, it doesn't differ in quality from the original recording, except it will be more readable for Premiere Pro. As you can see, there are no more issues with the footage. The audio remains synchronized, the quality is the same, and the problem is fully resolved. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Adios!